In Indonesia, there is more than 96% of people can read. But true literacy is more than just reading words. It's about understanding, connecting, and expressing ideas. Sadly, our reading comprehension score has dropped, and many still struggle to prepare for the official Indonesian language proficiency test UKBI. But in reality, books are often left untouched, and screens are filled with games and endless scrolling. The habit of reading is fading, replaced by short bursts of entertainment. Without consistent practice, preparing for the UKBI test becomes even more challenging. This is where technology can become part of the solution, not the problem. What if technology, often seen as a distraction, could actually boost our language skills? That's the idea behind LitBot, a Telegram-based chatbot that offers daily Indonesian language proficiency test simulation anytime, anywhere. With simple interactive practice, LitBot makes learning accessible for everyone. The goal is clear: to help improve reading comprehension and prepare for the Indonesian Language Proficiency Test or UKBI without limit of time or place. Now, let's start the user demo of LitBot. First, I'm gonna opening the bot by open your Telegram application and search for the bot username. The username for the bot is UKBI lit_bot. And I'm gonna open the bot chat window and starting the session. I will type start to begin and the bot will greet me and show the available comments, including latihan for today exercises. When I choose latihan, there will be two choices that I can choose. It is membaca or reading and response. And for example, when I choose membaca or reading, the bot will send me three questions. These questions are selected randomly by the algorithm, so users will not get the same set of questions every time. Each question show a text and followed by multiple choices A, B, C, D. When I choose the answer like B, and the bot will tell me whether I'm correct or not, and this is that I'm wrong, and there will be explanation for it. So it will make me clear how to answer this kind of question. For example, I choose C, and when it's right, it's also give me explanation. When I type B, it will be right. Then there will be a message that I already finished the reading exercise. This process repeats until all three questions are done. And when I type latihan again, and I choose membaca, I cannot uh, get any question anymore for today because there's a limit. Each day we can only get three questions for reading and three questions for response, or three questions for membaca and three questions for response, so that the user will come back tomorrow to get their quota to using this bot again. Now I will choose response and I answer B, C, and A. Now the exercise already done for today. And then after finishing both exercise, I have to wait until the next day to access new questions. And there's also another options like score, whether I wanna see from all of my using this bot how much is my score. And then I can also see riwayat or history. And this all I set in the script in Replit. So after we demo by user point of view, let's switch to the developer side. in the developer side, I'm using Replit to make this project. This is the Replit home, replit.com. And then, first of all, opening the project. The project is LitBot, and I open it here. I open the project, and the main file is this main.py. This contains the logic for the bot commands and interaction flow. So this is the important, like this. This opening message is set in this main file, and yeah, it's quite long. It set the rules, the algorithm. Nah. And at the bottom, at this part, updater, this is the token that connect the bot that I make in Telegram using botfather, and this all of this code that I make. Next, not only main.py, there are also this latihan soal zone. This is, we call it question bank. It contains all question, reading, passages, choices, correct answers, and explanation. So, before I already answered 3 questions for reading and 3 questions for response, but actually there's not only 6 questions in this book. For now, there are already 20 questions that 10 for reading and 10 for response, and it randomly appear at the user. So when we gonna add more questions, we just only have to add in this file, in this question bank. Next, we have user data. In user data, there is a user unique Telegram ID, username, like this, my username, that before using this bot. The access time, like the date and the time when I'm using the bot, when I answer the question. And the important thing is there is answers. So I can monitor the user answer and their score. Next, this is so fit to be used in school, for example. That's why the admin can monitor, or the teacher can monitor their students' answer, and they will know what kind of material they can give for their student. This can also use in the office. Also, there is supporting files like requirement.txt, which lists the Python packages needed to run the bot. And that's all. How we run the bot. First, we're gonna clear this up. And but this, you guys can only run it by here, but I either like run it by here. By typing Python 3 main.py and enter. And if this appear, bot Telegram active, tunggu perintah or wait for command, it means the Telegram bot is successfully run. And it will respond me like this. The bot will respond me. It means the bot already run, but I cannot do any more latihan today or any more exercise. So I'm gonna back tomorrow to claim my quota for exercise. And how to stop the bot running? Just by typing this kill 1, enter, and yeah, the bot will gonna stop running. Let us try here. Latihan. Yeah, there's no response. Yeah, this is the developer side, and I already explained the user side. Thank you.